When does it become apparent that it's going to go lower? See this candle here, 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 here? This last up candle, that's the last green one. When that candle is violated right there, right here on this black one, now you're going to be expecting price to expand on the downside. Price does it here, trades a little bit lower, then we have a small little retracement higher. What's it trading back up into? This down candle, which is a breaker. What's it breaking? The highs here, where the initial sellers would be having their buy slot resting. And then we clear those out and we go lower. But this down candle is where they're going to populate new selling, right there. And you can see them selling it right here. So they're mitigating the longs they use to buy the price higher. They take those orders off, and then you see the acceleration going lower. All this area in here, okay, we have an up candle, down move, retracement back up into what? What is this? Bearish order block. Okay, bearish order block right in here, trades up into it, and immediately sells off again. What's institutional order flow reaching for? The stops below here. But why is this signal forming here? Why is this pattern forming? Because it's undoing the buys that was used here. Remember, the down candle is a bullish order block, and they should be buying there, and it does. Look at this, boom, explodes. This sell is unwinding the longs that they put here. Everything is a hedge on the interbank level. Okay, when you're seeing price move from one level to the next, there's all buying and selling going back and forth in between those two range extremes. Range extreme down here, range extreme up here, then there's another range extreme here, another range extreme here, another range extreme here. Okay, so in between these two extremes, there's going to be hedging. There's going to be bookmaking, where the bank can have a net bearish book here and be making money as it's going lower, but they have to be buying too. And while they still may see price going here and selling, they have to take the orders off that they used over here that are long. And that's why you're seeing that unwinding right here. Everything is going to be the opposite side. Go over to the left side of the chart, and you'll see whatever they did to go long, they're going to take that off on the sell side, okay, which is the basis of a market maker sell profile, which is what this is. It's consolidation, return to consolidation, accumulation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal, low risk short, and redistribution, another redistribution, and the market reaches below the consolidation here, taking out those stops.